OpenTX.
How awesome does that look, right? Well, in my opinion, it looks pretty cool. I've got the purple, got the, it's just, I got a gloss over it, right? So, you might have seen about one year ago, actually it might have been almost exactly 1 year ago actually, where I painted my Tyrannus. Now, I painted it kind of just with spray paints and just spray painting over, just going ham on all the spray paint, and it looked okay, but I wanted to make it look a bit cooler. So what did I do? I got some purple spray paint and spray painted over too. But I also got some gloss. Now I'll show you the colours, they'll be overlapping now, and just some other parts of when I was doing it. Now I think I put 2 layers of the gloss on. This was clear coat gloss. I actually found out about this when I went to Eastside, and they're like, oh, have you clear coated on? No, I didn't know. I kind of got the gist of what it was when they said it, but yeah, it makes it look so much better, and it binds everything together, and it looks like it's just one whole paint job. So you got the back here, which looks really nice. You can kind of see the gloss on it there, because the back is usually a matte finish, and then the front, oh, it just looks, I really like how it turned out. Another thing I did, I put these little carbon bits up here, right? And then I also did some inside detailing to this inner part. So rather than just being all like this texture here and color here, it goes from black and kind of black and spotty with colors, and to purple, to like vibrant purple and silver and everything. Another few upgrades I did is coated these switches in heat shrink. I'll try and get some footage. You probably saw it earlier in that B-roll segment in the start. What else did I do? I made the little sticks black because, you know, it looks cool like that, and I also painted the gimbals inside, like, and made sure that there wasn't any white marks in there. So that was really awesome, and I think it turned out great. Another thing I did to customize it to my own standards is the amber sound pack.
Welcome to OpenTX. Switch warning.
I've got a switch down. So the switch warning, throttle disabled. Now that's another thing that you can do. So I'll show you how to set up a switch and the amber sound pack. What you are going to want to do is open up your computer and go to OpenTX online. Once you get to that site, you can download and find the Amber Sounds Pack, or OpenTX Amber Sounds Pack, I think it's called. And once you download that, you can just keep it in a folder where you know where it is. What you have to do is this. Turn back on, it should be all back to normal.
Throttle disabled.
And then you can go and set up your custom switch sounds like I've just done with the throttle disabled and things like that. So what you're going to want to do for setting up your own switch sounds, custom switch sounds, is you go press the menu button so you can get to the model selection. Now once you've got to model selection, you press page just a couple of 100 times until you reach special functions. Went past it. Special functions. Now what you're going to want to do next is you'll have special function 1, 2, 3 and all the way up to however many there are. I don't know how many. You press enter and then enter again, so you get the flashing on the 3 dotted hyphens. And then the switch that you want to choose, you can either just switch the one that you want, and it should automatically work like that. You press the negative button again and it'll go to override, but we don't want to override, so you go all the way over to play track. Now once you get to play track, you can enter that, and then you press your minus button again onto the 3 hyphens and have that, and then it'll come up with all the sounds that you've just downloaded. Now once you go to the sounds, you can scroll through and there will be a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet of the sounds and what they say. Now once you go through those, you can choose which one. I remember which one, the disarm, throttle, what is it, throttle disarmed or something. So I'm going down to all the way down to T, throttle dis, or THRDIS is what it is. Select that, and then that's all I have to do, and then I can switch this switch.
Throttle disabled.
Throttle disabled. Now if you want to add other tracks, you just go to back into Sound Effects 2 and you can select and do the same process. Anyway, I hope you found that useful, that whole video. Maybe if you think about doing your own customization, I highly recommend it. It's really fun. It's a nice little artsy project you can do, and it also makes your own Tyrannus your own, and make sure that you can tell it from the crowd. And everyone also go, like a lot of people go, oh, that's cool, or that's nice paint you got on there. And yeah, it's really fun also doing it. Make sure you're using plastic compatible paints, otherwise you don't want it to deteriorate your plastic. And then I used a high gloss. You can get a matte for your clear coat. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!